We want to write a method called alternate that accepts two lists of integers, so list of integer type, list1 and list2, and it's going to return a new list containing alternating elements from the two lists in the following order. So something like this. And then we just have some more information down here. So read about that, try it on your own, and let's get into this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make our new list. List, it's going to be of type integer. We'll call it list3, and we'll set it equal to a new array list, because when we do lists like this, we don't set list equal to list, we set it equal to an array list. It's going to be of type integer, and that's pretty much it. Now, what is the easiest way to go through a list? That is going to be up to an iterator. So we'll have two iterators. We will have an iterator, and this is how we make it. So iterator, it's going to be of type integer. We'll call it I1, and we'll set it equal to our list1 dot iterator, because we have an iterator method inside of our list. So we can just copy this line, paste it down here, and then change this to I2 and set it equal to list2 dot iterator. So those are going to go through our entire list, and it's kind of like a scanner. It has like a has next, and you can get the current one and use that. So what we're going to do is run this while either I1 or I2 dot has next. We want to do that for both of these because we want to add everything from the either I1 or I2 into here. And if I1 is out of elements, well, we'll just add from I2. So how do we do that? Well, that's all going to be done inside of this while loop. So after this while loop, we're going to want to return our list3, because it's going to have all of our methods, or not all of our methods, but it's going to have all of our I1 and I2 inside of here. So all we need to do is check if we have something in our I1 and in our I2. So if our I1 dot has next, we're going to want to be inside of here, and we're going to do list3 dot add, where we add our I1 dot next. Simple. And like a scanner, after we add this one, this dot next one, it'll move to the next one when we go into this while loop again. Make sure you have braces, because we are going to copy this and paste it right here below, and change this to if our I2 has a next, we're going to do list3.add, where we have our I2.next. And that's going to be our while loop pretty much complete. And let's log in. Sometimes forget to do that. Press submit, run our tests, and we'll see what we get. So again, we have our new list. We're going to iterate through both of these. It's the easiest way to go through a list. We're going to check if we have something in our iterator. If so, we add it to our list and then just return it. That'll pass 6 out of 6 tests, and that's how we would go about solving exercise 11.2, which is alternate.